I love the Aussie lamb roast leg with plum and macadamia nut stuffing. Really, with a dish like this, it's plan and prepare ahead and just throw it in the oven and it's ready to go. Look at it about 7 to 8 ounces per person, and that usually means you're looking for a lamb leg that's about 3 to 4 pounds. Then let's get this all combined together. So get your sticky, syrupy plum juice and combine that with your bread, the macadamias, and just a dash of salt and pepper. Then we're going to score across the whole piece of meat. Once we've got all of that lovely, juicy bread stuffed into the meat, we're going to roll the leg. Stick a toothpick in and close up the ends. Once you've got the leg all pulled together, give it a light seasoning with salt and pepper. Let's just get a whole bunch of beautiful in-season root vegetables. The beauty of this dish is that you can prepare it a few hours ahead, pull it out of the oven and serve.